Hello, this is Shikha Gupta. Welcomes you in the course of Data Communication and Computer Network. In the last lecture, we were discussing application layer protocols. So today we will discuss one more protocol, that is SMTP. We will take an overview of this protocol. We have already discussed FTP, HTTP, Telnet, and so on. These are based on client-server architecture. So same in this case also, SMTP also based on client server architecture. SMTP is for transferring mails from one to another. So mail, as we all know, we realize, is became a part and parcel of our life. Without mail it is not possible. It is something difficult to communicate also. So it's now became slowly becoming our official channel of communication. So we will discuss SMTP in detail. So this SMTP is originally generated in 1982, and this stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. We have a mail client at one end and the other mail client at other end. Popular SMTP server works on its TCP, on the basis of TCP, and listens at port 25. So it is the port 25 where the SMTP server is active. Traditionally means what we say default port is 25. So it was protocol, SMTP protocol. Its goal is to transfer mail reliably and efficiently, and it receives all the mails at port 25 by default. If not, there are other changes can be there. Then we have some other configuration, but the standard default is port 25. So this is the basic architecture of SMTP. SMTP client and server have two major components. One is that user agent prepare the message and closes in the envelope. There is a mail transfer agent that transfers the mail across the internet, and this is analogous to our postal system in many ways. And there is a MTA is the client, so corresponding MTA server is there, and there is a user agent at the other end which reads the message. If it is a two-way thing, then it can send and it can access the server and so on. This SMTP daemons would be running at the other end, which can be a server or the other client. So we have two different mail servers which can communicate these mails, and we have the other users which poke into this mail server and get the mails out of it. So we have individual mailboxes. We are having individual mailboxes in our say GECA, and then we are connecting to a server either through some sort of directly web link, or I am pulling the mail to some other client. So these are the user agents and mail transfer agents. Some SMTP also allows use of relays, allowing other MTAs to relay the mail. So other than MTA acting as a server and client, it also allows MTA relay. So getting a mail, it is relayed to the internet to the other mail, and so on. So mail gateway are used to mail relay prepared by their protocol other than SMTP and then converted to the SMTP. So this basically it relays and reads the things. So there it acts as a mail. We have that mail gateway which allows the mail to go to the other end. So this is a typical format of an email. Now if you look at a typical format of an email, so mail is a text file envelope that is sender address, receiver address, and other information of the things. Message, there is an email header defines the sender, receiver, and subject of the message and other information, and mail body contains the actual information of the message. So this is a typical thing, mail from something mail to the address, and there are other details, and then we have the actual context. So we have the envelope. This is the overall message which has a header part and a body part. So these are some keywords that are used in SMTP. If you look at different SMTP keywords, what we say, the functional module, one is hello, sender's host daemon name, mail from email address of the sender, received to, email of the intended recipient, data, body of the message, and quit or quitting the thing. So these are some uh, keywords that are used in SMTP. We can, instead of having any separate front end module or agent, we can communicate like this. So that is possibility that this beauty of this thing apply interoperable service across the thing. These are some more keywords which are something like reset, verify, no operation, turn, expand, expand mailing list to expand it, help, etc. So this was the all basics about the SMTP. Thank you.